Hello. A week ago, this TV that I show you now, this one here, yeah, this TV just started smoking. I turned it on after about 10 years of it just lying around, and yeah, it started smoking. Can you see the smoke? That TV is gone. So today we will find out what caused the smoke, and if that ever happens to you, it's very disgusting. The smoke smells very, very bad. So that's why I kept it outside for a week, to not stink up all the house. But yeah, we'll see what caused it. So it's December. It's around, if you can see it, 4 degrees. And I will open it up here in the garage to not create any mess in the house. So I will first start creating a makeshift table, and then we open it up and see what happens. Alright, my screwdriver, and I already saw that there are some Phillips screws here on the bottom, so I will open it up. These screws are quite long. That was the first one, and here comes the second. Yeah, we don't really have a use for this TV anymore. The last time I used it was for playing the Nintendo Wii, but that was a long time ago, so that was, I don't know how long. And the reason why I turned it on recently was to test the VCR. But yeah, oh, it looks like it's opening up already. At least the bottom is loose, but something might be missing from the top. Well, if I completely mess this up, then it will just go to the recycling. But who knows, maybe there's a chance to repair it. You never know. I saw there are 2 more screws here and here. Bit more difficult to reach. I can't really see anything. Let's see if I can make some light with my phone. That's better. These are really terrible location for screws. But I get some traction here. Woohoo! One more. The screw is fighting, but so do I. I'm also trying to be careful not to damage the screw in the process, but I'm almost there. We're getting there. this out. So now let's see what happens, if it's completely burned or if it's just one component. Ooh, it opens up. Just a word of caution. I know that there could be still electricity left in the capacitors, so I'm trying to be careful not to get electrocuted here. And that is how it looks from the inside. As you saw, there's a lot of dust in there, and I'm not surprised because it was just standing around. So what do you expect after 20 years maybe or longer? So I'll keep investigating and see if I find the faulty component. Alright, I had a closer look, and with the light from the phone I saw that one of the capacitors looks very charred. So as I expected, this type of capacitor is known for failure after a couple of decades. So if you have old equipment and you see one of these inside, swap them out. I'll show you what I mean. So I get you a bit closer here, and wait a second. So now here it is. Let's see if I can get you a better view. There. This is the bad part, and you can really see how burned it is underneath. That causes all the smoke and the stuff that is in there. It creates this really awful smell that takes several days to get it out of your house. So yeah, this needs to be swapped out, but I'll see. I will try to use my soldering iron to get it out, and then I decide if I will fix the TV or if it still goes to trash. But anyway, thanks for watching. We found the fault, and of course the whole board needs some cleanup because it looks worse than a desert in there, full of dust, all this stuff. So if this ever goes back to life, then it needs a proper cleanup. It can't stay like that. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.